At Detail King, we pride ourselves on providing the highest quality detailing chemicals on the market. That is why we oversee every step of the manufacturing process from batch to bottle. So let's see how it's done. It all starts in the mixing vats, where we blend each individual product to our exact specifications. Once the product is fully blended, we add dyes to give each their own distinct look. Today we are mixing our Crisp RTU Glass Cleaner, which is a forest green color. Now that the product is mixed and dyed, it goes from the blending vat over to the dispenser for bottling. This machine helps keep the chemicals free from contaminants and ensures that each bottle has the correct amount of product. Once the bottles are secured, the filling nozzles are dropped into the bottles to begin pouring. When the bottles are filled to the appropriate level, they are moved down the conveyor belt to be capped, foil sealed, and inspected. If you've been following Detail King, then you know we've recently given our products a facelift. It's one thing to make great detailing products, but they have to look the part as well. The last step is sending them down the assembly line to apply our newly redesigned labels. Once this batch is bottled and labeled, we pack them up and get them ready to be shipped out to you. Whether you are a car enthusiast purchasing pints of our product or a professional detailer who needs them by the gallon, we want to make sure that we are getting you the results you've come to expect out of every bottle we sell. Quality is our main concern, and we take all possible measures to make sure everything meets our quality standards. Check out Crisp RTU and our entire line of great detailing products at detailking.com.